I've lived next door to Hopkinton, Mass for 24 years now. And in my mind, two things have put Hopkinton on the map. First, once a year it hosts the start of the Boston Marathon, and it's done so since 1924. And number two, it's hosted the headquarters for EMC Corporation as it grew in the 1980s, the 90s, all the way through the 2000s. But with no navigable rivers and having shunned the railroads back in the 19th century, Hopkinton remained a small agricultural town until I-495 opened in the late 1960s. And at its heart sits a quintessential town common, which is a perfect place to sit and relax on the 364 days that Hopkinton is not hosting the start of the world's oldest annual marathon.
Okay, it strikes me that I got a little too enamored with this fountain, but it's really nice, and it was such a beautiful day.
This YouTube channel, these cameras, this drone, they've become a hobby of mine. And if you like content like this, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your comments. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.